Believe it or not, the real secret to muscle growth isn't just lifting heavy weights or doing endless reps. It's about understanding what your body actually needs, and most people get this completely wrong. In this video, we'll settle the ultimate debate: heavy weights versus high reps. What's really better for muscle gain? Stick around till the end, because I'll give you a bonus hybrid workout plan that combines the best of both worlds to help you build muscle faster than ever before. And yes, it's beginner friendly. Also, if you're dealing with joint pain or stiffness, especially when training heavy, Flexomore is a must-have. I'll explain why throughout the video. You'll find the link in the description, so smash that subscribe button like a champ. Drop a comment with your favorite training style, and let's jump in. This video will be broken down into 6 sections. Stick to the end. The number 6 section is what will break or make you. Let's break it down. Heavy weights equal sign lower reps, 4 to 8 reps. High reps equal sign lighter weights, 12 to 20 reps. Both methods build muscle, but they do it in different ways. Heavy weights increase myofibrillar hypertrophy. This means your muscle fibers get denser and stronger. High reps, on the other hand, focus on sarcoplasmic hypertrophy, where your muscles get bigger by storing more glycogen, water, and nutrients. So, which one is better? Answer: both. But it depends on your goals. We'll walk you through the pros, cons, and ideal routines so you can customize your training for maximum results. Let's talk about heavy lifting. This means you're working with 75 to 90% of your 1 rep max and pushing through 4 to 6 solid reps. Benefits of heavy weights: faster strength gains. Heavy weights recruit more motor units, leading to serious strength development. This translates into more raw power in the gym and real-life tasks. Hormonal boost. Lifting heavy triggers testosterone and growth hormone, essential for muscle growth and recovery. Time efficient. You don't need a long workout. 4 to 5 sets of compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, or bench press, and you're done. But here's the deal. Heavy lifting also puts more stress on your joints, and that's where Flexomore comes in. Whether you're pushing through heavy squats or loading up the barbell, this supplement helps reduce joint inflammation and keeps your mobility smooth. Links in the description. How to train with heavy weights. Rest periods: 2 to 3 minutes between sets. Your nervous system needs time to recover. Focus. Prioritize compound movements like bench presses, overhead presses, squats, and deadlifts. Form first. Always prioritize form. Ego lifting will ruin your progress. Pro tip: warm up with a light set, then go into 4 to 5 working sets. Drop a comment if you've ever hit a PR on bench press. What was your number? Quick pause. If you're getting value so far, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's stuck in a muscle plateau. Let's grow stronger, together. Now let's dive into the other side. High reps with lighter weights. This style is often labeled as toning, but it's way more powerful than people give it credit for. Benefits of high reps: endurance and pump. Ever felt that skin-splitting pump during a burnout set? That's sarcoplasmic hypertrophy doing its job. Your muscles swell due to increased glycogen storage. Improved form. Repetition builds consistency. You get better at each movement, which reduces injury risk. Joint friendly. Lighter loads are easier on your connective tissue. Great for people with knee, shoulder, or elbow issues. Again, if you feel sore or stiff after high rep sessions, Flexomore can help you recover faster by easing joint inflammation and supporting cartilage health. How to train with high reps. Use 40 to 60% of your 1 rep max. Target muscle isolation. Think dumbbell curls, lateral raises, or triceps kickbacks. Shorter rest. Keep rest to 30 to 45 seconds to maintain the pump and increase metabolic stress. High reps. Tip: do drop sets. Start with a moderate weight and drop down after failure to squeeze every last bit of tension from the muscle. Here's the truth. Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, is driven by mechanical tension, which is how hard the muscle contracts. Muscle damage, those tiny tears that rebuild stronger, and metabolic stress. You know, the burn, the pump. Both heavy and high rep training can stimulate all three, but in different proportions. So what works best? A combination. This is called periodization, cycling between phases of heavy lifting and high rep training to hit every muscle fiber type. And if you're doing this correctly, expect results in just 3 to 4 weeks. But don't sabotage your gains with stiff joints or delayed recovery. Especially if you're over 30 or training 4 or more days per week, take Flexomore. Your body will thank you. All right, now here's that hybrid training program I promised. Weekly split example. Day 1, heavy upper body, bench press, 4 sets of 5, weighted pull-ups, 4 sets of 6, overhead press, 3 sets of 5. Day 2, high rep lower body, goblet squats, 4 sets of 15, walking lunges, 3 sets of 20 steps, calf raises, 3 sets of 25. Day 3, rest or active recovery. Day 4, heavy lower body, deadlifts, 4 sets of 5, front squats, 3 sets of 6, Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 8. Day 5, high rep upper body, dumbbell chest fly, 3 sets of 15, lateral raises, 3 sets of 20, triceps push downs, 3 sets of 25. Day 6, height and core, 30 seconds burpees, 20 seconds rest, repeat 5 times, 1-minute planks, Russian twists, leg raises. Day 7, rest. You're hitting both strength and size with the right muscle stimulus, while avoiding plateaus. Here's where people go wrong. They stick to one method only. Muscle adapts quickly. Without variation, growth stalls. They neglect recovery. Overtraining kills gains. So does joint inflammation. Again, Flexomore is your ally. Poor nutrition and sleep. If you're not eating enough protein or getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, you're leaving muscle on the table. No progression tracking. Whether it's more reps, more weight, or better form, you must track your progress weekly. Comment below. What's your biggest challenge in building muscle right now? I'll be replying to help out. So, heavy weights versus high reps? Use both. Periodize your training. Prioritize your joints. And if you're serious about building muscle, recovering faster, and keeping your joints healthy long-term, check out Flexomore. The link's in the description, and trust me, it's a game changer. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more no-fluff fitness tips, and share this with a friend who's trying to get jacked the smart way. Train hard, train smart. See you in the next one.